Hello students, so for the Madras School of Economics 2025 expected question series, we have come up with the third question. So here what we have in hands, we are having a question from microeconomics. So let's do it. So here we are being given the marginal cost of a firm, that is MC is equal to 4Q, and Q stands for output. Then what will be the variable cost function? So we know that to find out the variable cost function, we have to integrate the marginal cost with respect to output. So here the variable cost is given, it will be integration of marginal cost. So we have to integrate it with, so 4Q dq. So we will put the value, so that is 4 multiplied by, if we integrate, then what we will get? We will get 4Q square by 2. So then it will be 2Q square. So our answer will be 2Q square. Okay, so not only this, we have to practice for microeconomics, other part also. Here we have picked up for the expected question. You can get from anywhere, like average cost, and for both short run and for both long run. Okay, best of luck students.